When fathers marched to war, the fight didn't stop at home. Mothers and children worked the land, kept the family alive, and carried the burden of the revolution together. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Men from their homes, life didn't stop. Farms, villages, and businesses had to survive, without husbands, fathers, and sons. Women became heads of households, running farms, managing money, settling debts, and making decisions once reserved for men. Fields still needed planting and harvest. Women, children, and elderly neighbors worked the land to keep food on tables and armies fed. Villages depended on cooperation, neighbors sharing labor, tools, and protection as shortages and fear became part of daily life. Shops, mills, and taverns stayed open. Women ran stores, kept accounts, and traded goods as money grew scarce. Children took on adult responsibilities, working fields, caring for siblings, and learning survival instead of schooling. Raids, shortages, and silence from the front weighed heavily. Letters were rare, and bad news could arrive at any time. The revolution wasn't sustained only by soldiers, but by families who endured, adapted, and kept America alive while the war was fought.